Hello friends, I present to your attention the overboard transducer arm mount. It has been designed for mounting on kayaks and belly boats, float tubes. A set of adapters, which are included to the package, allow the transducers of such brands as Lawrence, Garmin and others to be mounted. The design consists of tubes, tilt joints, the handle, the transducer mount, the fish finder plate mount and the adapter. Maximum immersion depth is 400 millimeters. The assembly includes the compact mount, which helps to fix the plate for a fish finder monitor. There is a handle, which helps you adjust the 360 degrees rotation angle. The adapter is compatible with all BORIKA fasten mounting systems. The main parts are made of fiberglass reinforced polyamide. The arm is made of anodized aluminum. It is also powder coated. I personally guarantee the high quality of BORIKA products because I'm their creator, inspirer, and active user.